Hi guys and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will answer a user question, and what we are doing you will see after my intro. As mentioned before the internet, today I will respond to an email request from Elke, and she asked me by email if I know how to create this kind of photos. As a side note, of course, this is not the original photo because I don't have the free license to use it, and also I don't know who's the original photographer to ask for it. And so I simply recreate it, and it's very similar to the one in the email. And back to the email, Elke asked me if I can make a tutorial about it because she really likes to make this kind of photos, but she don't know how she can do it. So today I will show you how you can make this kind of photos very simple and very easy. And also generally, if you find some great creative pictures in the internet and you don't know how you can do it, please write me an email and maybe I can help you out and can explain it to you, and maybe I can make a tutorial about it. But I'm also not God, and also I don't know everything, but I will do my best to explain it for you. But now back to my tutorial, and let's go ahead with my material. You don't need much for this tutorial, and the most items I think you will have at home. And if you remember the background, there was shown a perforated blade, and I think the most people don't have a perforated blade at home, neither I do. So I decided to make a digital perforated blade and also some different styles of it in Illustrator, and you can download the file as a PDF below my video, and you can use it for free, of course. And if I used digital material, then you need also a screen, and I used my widescreen here, but I think also the most people don't have a widescreen at home, though I recommend that you use a screen with the size of 19 inches or larger. And it's important that your glass will fit in the screen size. And then the next item, of course, is glasses, and I used 4 wine glasses and also for different style 4 champagne glasses, but you can use every glass you like to. And then I recommend cotton gloves to avoid any fingerprints on the glasses, because if you have fingerprints on your glasses you will see it later in the post and you have to stamp it away. And at least I use different books for pedestals and support of my glasses, and of course I use the tripod and a remote switch, and these are all my items I use in this tutorial. And I think we can continue with my setup. I think my setup is very easy and also self-explanatory, but I will explain it quick and dirty for you. In the back, of course, I have my screen, and on my screen is shown the digital version of the perforated blade, and this is the only light I used in my tutorial. I switched off the complete light in my room, and only my screen is on with the different backgrounds I've made on it. And in the front of the screen I have my books, and on the top of the books I have my glasses, and I can arrange the position I like to have to. And in the front of my glasses I have my tripod with my camera, and my camera will focus frontally to the screen, and this is my complete setup. And for the PDF file I opened it in Adobe Acrobat, and there are also some helpful shortkeys if you don't know it. If you used your mouse wheel you can move up and move down the backgrounds I have made, and if you used Control on the mouse wheel you can zoom in and zoom out, and if you used Shift and the mouse wheel you can move from the right to the left and from the left to the right. And these are very helpful. Now you can arrange the position and the size you like to have of your background, and you can get different results with it. And I think let's go ahead with my camera setup. I choose the aperture mode A by Olympus, and this is very helpful because if you work with different lights, if you zoom in and zoom out the pattern, you get different lights. And in the manual mode you have always to correct the exposure time, but in the mode A your camera will do this automatically. And then I choose the manual focus because I have to focus on my glasses and not on my screen, and if I choose the automatic focus. My camera will always focus on the screen, and then I get blurry glasses, and I like to have sharp glasses in my pictures. And of course I switched off the image stabilization because I used a tripod, and my ISO was by 200, and my exposure time, as I already explained, was automatically, and my aperture was by 9. And these are my camera settings, and I think now we can go ahead with my results.
I wanna give you everything I've got. Oh, so let's go. I'll show you heaven, and we can watch the world from above. And every time we're close together, you make me feel so fine. The way you say those magic words and look into my eyes, I get this burning feeling deep in my soul. When you hold me close, don't never let go. No, girl, you make me lose control when we're moving to the rhythm of love. Yeah, the rhythm of love. The rhythm of love. Yeah, love. The rhythm of love. I'm spinning out of control when we're moving to the rhythm of love. Well, girl, I think this was meant to be, like it was written in our destiny. Oh, whoa. Well, can you feel the fire as we're moving to the rhythm of love? And every time we're close together, you make me feel so fine. The way you say those magic words and look into my eyes, I get this crazy feeling deep in my
I hope you liked my tutorial and had a lot of fun, and if yes, please leave me a comment below that I know that I don't waste my time here, because I do this tutorial in 2 languages and it's very hard for me because I'm not a native. And also please let me know if you understand what I'm doing here. And I think we will see us next Friday with something creative, what's in my mind, and I wish you a nice week, nice day or whatever, and ciao!